In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Ghibli art with Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular photo into a charming, painterly illustration with warm light and a whimsical storybook feel. Start by opening your Gemini account. If you're new, create an account and sign in. If you already have one, just open Gemini and make sure you're on the main chat screen where you can type and interact. Before you upload anything, pick a clear, well-lit photo. Faces that are centered and not heavily shadowed translate beautifully into stylized artwork because the model can read the features without guessing. Also, take a moment to check what's in your frame. Keep personal or sensitive details out of the shot so you can share or save the result comfortably. Now add your image. Click the plus icon, locate the photo you want to transform, select it, and confirm that it's uploaded to the conversation. You should see a small thumbnail preview once it's attached. If you have a few similar photos, choose the one with the most natural expression and a simple background. A relaxed face and minimal clutter let the illustration style shine while keeping the focus on your subject. Next, craft a clear prompt in the message box. Aim for descriptive, visual language that tells Gemini the mood, lighting, textures, and setting you want. For example, you might write, "Transform this photo into a whimsical, hand-painted anime film illustration with soft, brushy textures, warm, diffused lighting, and playful background scenery inspired by cozy, nature-filled worlds." Emphasize qualities like gentle brushwork, pastel color palettes, and dreamy environmental details. As a best practice, describe the aesthetic rather than naming specific living artists or studios. This keeps your direction clear while allowing the model to generate an original, cohesive style. When your image is attached and your prompt looks good, click. Submit and wait while Gemini generates the result. Depending on your connection and server load, this can take a moment, so keep the window open and let it process. When the illustration appears, look closely at the lighting, textures, and background to see how well they match what you described. If you like the overall direction, you're set. That's all you need. Open your Gemini account, upload a well-chosen photo, write a focused prompt that captures that warm, whimsical, painterly anime look, then submit and wait for the magic to render. Enjoy creating your charming illustrated portraits.